Hi, welcome to Math, the Power of Science. Today we'll be talking about germs. There are two main types of germs, bacteria and viruses. Viruses are sacs filled with DNA or RNA, used to replicate the cells. Bacteria are a specified type of cells that replicate very fast. Some germs are actually helpful to you. The germs known as the gut flora in your gut actually help with digestion. Bacteria work by starting with one, then multiplying, and multiplying again, and multiplying, and multiplying, and multiplying, and multiplying, until you get a giant colony. Viruses are a bit more complicated. There are many different types of viruses, coming from a sphere, to a rod, to a cage. There are two main subtypes to viruses: DNA viruses and RNA viruses. DNA viruses work by getting the virus into the cell, which then goes into the nucleus, which then replicates the DNA and releases the virus into the environment to invade other cells. RNA viruses work in a similar fashion, but instead get replicated by the ribosomes in the cytoplasm, not in the nucleus of the cell. But how do you get sick from these? I mean, it's just an abundance of cells. Well, your body needs to stay at a certain range to function properly. So when you have invading cells, it disrupts this range, and it has to get rid of it. Most of the time, this is handled by your immune system, but some of the times you don't get it handled by your immune system, and that's when you say you get sick, and you experience symptoms like coughing, sneezing, or puking to get out the viruses, and stuff like the fever to help your immune system to cope with the virus. Other stuff, like antibiotics, help your immune system the same way that fevers do. They enhance it. But stuff like shots or vaccinations actually just build up your immune system. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below or suggest a topic for a future video. If you like what you saw, please subscribe.